Session 14, types of biodiversity, genetic biodiversity, species biodiversity, and ecosystem biodiversity. Types of biodiversity. Biological diversity deals with degree of nature, variety of in the biosphere. This variety can be observed at three levels. One is the genetic biodiversity and species diversity, ecosystem diversity, and landscape diversity. In the genetic diversity, within the given species, there can be several varieties of strains. The race the slightly differ from each other. One or more characteristics such as a size, shape, and resistant against the diseases and pests and insects. In the resilience of survey and adverse environmental conditions, such diversity, the genetic makeup of a species is termed as the genetic diversity. In other words, genetic diversity is the variety of building blocks found within the individual species. Most of the individual species, this species is having the large number of variety strains, races that consider as a rich and more diverse in its genetic organization. The difference between individual organisms arises from the variations. The genetic material is possessed from all organisms passed on to the successive generation. Some of the successive generation is an heritable variation and form. Now, environmental influence the growth of development of each individual organism. The heritable variation serve as the raw material for both evolution of the natural selection and the artificial selection. At ultimate, the basis for all biodiversity opportunities, the evolutionary changes, survival of the species, and the formation of the species and function of the genetic diversity in population. And the various application of biotechnology such as crop, animal breed improvement depend upon the identification of genetic material that gives rise the desirable traits of the incorporations genetic material in appropriate organisms in the genetic diversity. The next is the species diversity. In the practice, most of the attention generally given to the species diversity it refers to the number of species or different kinds of an organism found in the particular place, how it varies from place to place, and seasonally at the same place. In terms of species diversity, must be noted that the counting number of species is not enough to describe it is called as the biological diversity. The diversity as to the relative chance seeing the species much as the to do with actual present the community which each species has the same number. The individual all others would be most diverse, whereas the community with one species making up most of the individual would be least diverse. The further species, the very different from each other, contribute more to overall diversity than species which are similar to each other. In ecosystem diversity, is the generally assessed in the terms of the global continental distribution of broadly defined ecosystem types. In terms of these species diversity within the ecosystem, it is the distinctive assemblage species that live together in the same area and interact with their physical environment unique ways. Systems having the component species present nearly equal abundance is considered as a more diverse than one having extremes, high and low abundance. Landscape diversity. Sometimes the Paris landscape diversity is used on the broad regional scale. It refers to the size and distribution of the several ecosystems and their interaction across the given land space.